Now then, what we have here, here's the most important thing you need to know about this question, is the question states, use the given terms of an arithmetic sequence. If it's not told to you that this is arithmetic, you cannot do it. Because once you hear the words arithmetic sequence, your brain should automatically revert back to the definition to know that an arithmetic sequence changes by adding and subtracting. That's what you need to know. And so they're not multiplication division. That's what you need to know. Now, does that mean there's not multiplication in it? No, there is, because what's repeated addition?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So the concept of that's there, but they're not changing by each individual term by multiplying, by adding and subtracting. And so in there, if you don't have that concept, you cannot solve this. Okay? So now then, it says for me to write the equation. So this is the explicit equation form. Okay? We're going to plug in what we know.
That's what I did.
Okay? The problem is you made up one of them. Okay? We know what D is, right? Zero problem there. I'm going to put parentheses around it so you know it's not subtracting the 7. All right? And so what most of you did that got it wrong is for A1, you plugged in the 36th term for the first term.
Yep.
We can't do that, can we? So, we don't know A1.
Oh.
We got to find it.
Well, how do you know what N is then?
Okay? Because what we just went over there, A of N is that right there.
Oh.
So now we know that the N term is the 36th. The number of the term that I'm going to use is the 36th term. What is in the 36th term?
276.
Almost. It's negative is opposite friend.
Oh, negative 276.
Yeah.
That's funny.
It's evil twin.
Whoops, I said it wrong.
Okay? So now, how many variables do I have as an unknown? One of them. Can we solve for what, one variable?
Yes.
100%. I cover that up.
But I have a question.
Just let me finish first. I might answer it. So if I cover that up, I have an expression. So we got to simplify it. So we simplify expressions by order of operations from top to bottom. So I take care of parentheses. Okay? Do I have any exponents? No, so I take care of the multiplication right there. Do I have any addition and subtraction? I do. Can I do anything with it?
Yeah.
No. So now I'm going to solve the equation for A1. So I have addition and subtraction, so I'm going to work for the order of operations from bottom to top now. How do I create a 0 on this side? What does A1 equal? Negative 31. So that's what A1 equals. And so since A1 equals that, I now can write my explicit equation. Now, so my explicit equation is A of N equals negative 31 minus 7 times N minus 1.
But we can do it the other way, right?
We're going to look at several ways. Okay? Why did the N and A of N remain in the equation?
In the explicit equation?
Yeah, why is it still there?
I don't know what term we want.
So it allows us to do it for any term.
Yeah.
So this is the input variable. Choose whatever term I want to find.
That's the...
This is the output variable. What's in that term? Term I want to find. What's in that term? Now, this is not the simplified version, is it?
No.
Okay, so is this and that the same thing?
I don't understand why you keep putting the parentheses around the negative 7.
Because I don't want you to see it as subtracting the 7.
But it is, isn't it?
No. It's multiplying by a negative 7.
Huh? You just said that it's multiplying by negative 7 because you're,
You just said that you cannot do multiplication in that every.
No, I didn't. I said there's multiplication in an arithmetic sequence, but it's not changing by each individual term by multiplying.
a number like 6 or something like that.
So, let's answer the question I asked first. Are those two things the same thing?
Yeah.
They are, right? I just did the commutative property right here by writing them in reverse order. Now, if I wanted to simplify it, I'm going to take this negative 7 and I'm going to distribute it. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I just took negative 7 and I distributed it in there. Now I combine my like terms. That would be the simplified equation. We're going to talk a little bit more in just a little bit about why that one is totally different from 31. We'll talk about that in just a minute, okay? So what I want you to get to do is understand that all three of those are right. Okay?